Hello and welcome back to the 217 Naturals channel. My name is Lynn. For anyone who's new to this platform, welcome, welcome, welcome. On this platform, we focus on the mature woman, particularly over the age of 40, and beauty, lifestyle, and now business. So I have decided to launch my new candle business, and that's what this video is going to be all about. So if you're interested in my luxury candle making and soap making business, definitely stay tuned. Click that subscribe button, the notification bell, and leave your girl a comment. I like to know who my subbies are. Let's get into the video. I'm so excited. So in this video, I'll be talking about my new Midwest Fragrance Company fragrance oils that I recently purchased. I'm so excited I can't even get it out. But this past year, 2020, I got into researching candles because I love candles and I love different scents. And I gave them out for Christmas gifts and also for Valentine's Day. So, you know, I was just kind of testing the waters. And actually, I fell in love with candle making. Like, it became part of my, well, it's always been a part of my self-care routine, but it just became a habit for me and really, really comforting, you know. I've heard a lot of people on YouTube say that it helps with depression, and I definitely could see where candle making could be a hobby and could help with depression and all sorts of, you know, like anxiety, which I have, but it's just a way to relax me. And so I got into candle making. I know normally I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, but I also have decided to add business to my platform. So if you're interested in how I'm going to be launching my candle making business in the spring, definitely hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the new content. I want to take you guys on my journey. So I have a total of 10 candle scents, or 10 fragrance scents that I purchased. This one is going to be my very first candle launch. I'm naming it after my aunt that passed away last year. My first candle that I'll be launching will be named after her, and it's called the Gigi candle. And I'm using the Midwest Fragrance Company Lemon Sugar Cake. Guys, when I tell you, this smells so amazing. It gives me that buttery, if you like buttery lemon pound cake, you're going to love this candle. And I'm going to insert a clip because I've been working on it. It's going to be made of coconut palm wax. And it really has a good scent throw. And I'm so in love with this candle, and I cannot wait to launch this candle. So I think this is really, really going to be a staple in my luxury line. It is the lemon sugar cake. Yeah, love this one. Love this one. And the next one that I'll be launching, which will be in the spring for Mother's Day. My grandmother, she's been gone now for quite some time, but she is the person who raised me, and she was my rock. You know, I just, when I think of this candle scent, I think of her, and it is the Espresso. We often used to have conversations over coffee, is what I call it, coffee conversations, but it's the Mademoiselle candle because her name was Moselle. But yeah, this is the Espresso. I've already, you know, been sampling out of it and everything. Y'all, it smells just like a nutty, fresh espresso. I added some cinnamon, which is also from Midwest Candle Fragrance, to this candle, and a hint of vanilla. And it just reminds me of a warm cup of coffee. I love this scent. And I think if you're a coffee lover, you will actually love that scent as well. I also got Bergamot and Sandalwood. This, if you love bergamot, and I do, I love bergamot, especially, oh, what is that candle? Sweater Weather. That's kind of what it reminds me of. If that Bath and Body Work sweater weather. That's what this reminds me of. So I'm not sure if this is more, since I'm, you know, new to candle, since I know what I like, but just describing it sometimes I can be, I don't know, I guess I'm just not as experienced. But it definitely, if you know what sweater weather smells like, it's really, really fresh. A little bit strong, but I like strong candles. If you like bergamot and sandalwood, this would be a good fragrance to purchase. And like I said, the cinnamon, of course, smells like cinnamon bun. So I get that buttery cinnamon, and this is what makes my my Mademoiselle candle smell so nice, is because of this cinnamon. This cinnamon buns. So if you ever gone into Cinnabon, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This fragrance definitely gives you that feel or that scent. So it's another one of my signature candles in my luxury line. Also with coconut palm wax. And my candles have wood wicks, because I love that crackling sound, and I just fell in love with woodwick candles. Although I didn't used to purchase woodwick candles, but when I got into candle making, I was like, oh, they just look so nice and elegant and classy based. So I decided, yeah, I'm gonna put that in my luxury line. So excuse me. The next candle scent fragrance is cucumber melon. This is an all-time favorite. A lot of people love cucumber melon, and I hear it's a really good seller. You know, cucumber melon, it's got that fresh cucumber scent. It's been around for forever. A sweet melon with a hint of cucumber. That's what this scent gives. So I made a candle with this one. I did try this one out. It has a really good fresh scent throw, cold and hot. So I think I'll be incorporating this one too. I actually made it for my daughter, and so she really, really liked it. And for my granddaughter, because I made her a little candle for her room, because she loves candles as well. So that's a good one. This Cactus Sea Salt, guys. It's what it smells like. A breath of fresh air. I love this scent. Really clean and fresh. You know what sea salt smells like. Gives you that ozone, clean, fresh fragrance. Never really knew what cactus smelled like, but I'm assuming it smells good, because this smells really, really good. Really good. So that's the Cactus and Sea Salt. Not sure, because I have the Orchid and Sea Salt candle, which I really love, from Candle Science. So I think Candle Science Orchid and Sea Salt is just a little bit stronger. So I don't want to incorporate 2 sea salts in my line. Not yet anyway. The next one is Cedar, Musk, and Lavender. Guys, oh my God, this reminds me of a good masculine man scent, and I made this one for my husband for Valentine's Day. It smells so good. Like, I love this Cedar Musk. They did a good job with mixing the two. I never would have thought Cedar Musk with lavender, but it does. It smells masculine. I'm trying to smell the lavender. I smell, you know, the Cedar Musk is definitely the top note that you smell when you pick this up. I guess you do smell the lavender at the end. So definitely this is a must. Okay, the next one is Chestnut Birch. Head on over to Stanley Crafters. I follow him. Oh my God, he is so amazing. I also follow him on my Facebook page. He gives such good advice on different fragrances, and that's how I learned about the Midwest Fragrance Company. This one, I don't know. Is it when I tell you the espresso is so strong on my hands, and I burn that candle every morning, so it's kind of on my hand. Okay. It does give you a hint of chestnut, that nutty. I love nutty fragrances. It gives you that fresh, nutty birch tree. I think of woodsy, a little bit of woodsy. But a nice scent. It's definitely a nice scent. I haven't used this one yet. I haven't made a candle with that, but I can't wait to use this chestnut and birch. But it definitely smells amazing. Okay, got two more. The cocoa butter cashmere, which is going to be a part of my line. I love anything cashmere, and this cocoa butter cashmere. Cocoa butter, a really nice cashmere, expensive. It definitely gives me that luxury scent. I never would have thought to mix cocoa butter with cashmere, but it's definitely going to be a part of my nostalgic line. I'm not sure. I have two more. I'm actually going to name one after my mom, and then I have one for my aunt. So cocoa butter cashmere will definitely be one or the other. And I'm thinking my aunt, because she always loved expensive cologne. I mean, not cologne, but perfumes. And guys, she's 90. She's still living today. And her birthday is in June. But, you know, she was a part of raising me as well. So I got that old lady blood in me, but, this cocoa butter cashmere, I think represents her really well. So I think I'm going to definitely, name the cocoa butter cashmere after my aunt. Her name is Frankie. So guys, definitely, you know, follow me. I'm on Etsy, Selfishscents, and follow me on Instagram at 217 Naturals. Because I post a lot of content on there in regards to my candle and soap business. But the launch and everything, most of my stuff I'll be posting on there. But I'll keep you guys updated on the launch this spring. Last one is bamboo and teakwood. Never have smelled bamboo and teakwood. This is new. It's my first time smelling this one. I smelled all the rest of them. I hear teak wood is really like a good smelling candle, good seller. It smells okay. I guess I have to get it in a candle and burn it, and then I'll have the appreciation for teak wood. It's in a lot of high-end luxury candles, though. I do know that. But yeah, so I'm trying to think of what. It's definitely fresh. A fresh soap. I don't know. It just right now I don't have anything for it yet, guys. So I'm gonna have to make a candle, and then I'll have to let you know. But so this is the last one, bamboo and teak wood from Midwest Fragrance. So if you guys are interested in following any of my new candle scents that I'll be launching, definitely follow me over on Instagram, and then you can check my few candles that I have. I also have bath bombs on my Selfishscents on Etsy, and I sold out of my soap. I had body butters as well, and sold out of those too. So but yeah, drop me a comment, guys, and let me know if you're interested in seeing my candle making, or you know, any other content in regards to my candles. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.